How to fix Instagram highlights not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device. Here, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, you will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. Here, tap on the archive option you see there under the How You Use Instagram tab, and further, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option there. Here, make sure the Save to Story Archive toggle button is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for Save Story to Archive. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram. Further, make sure your Instagram app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your app further. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then come back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application. Further, tap on delete and then on delete again. Once deleted, reinstall the app and this will keep your data safe, just it will refresh your application. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open Instagram again and go to the interface from where you add story. Further, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the story option. Ensure that hide story from is set correctly and make sure that you have not restricted Instagram's access under these settings. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down to the bottom and log yourself out. Wait for 10 to 20 seconds and log back in and check if your highlights load correctly. If not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Further, tap on Instagram option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then it might be because the Instagram server is down, as Instagram servers occasionally experience sync issues that affect highlights, archives, and stories. So, wait for a few minutes for Instagram to fix their problem on their own. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix highlights not working on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.